Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at a camera lens filter kit. This kit comes with 4 wrenches. Okay, so you have a 37 to 46 millimeter. You have a 49 to 58 millimeter. You have a 62 to 77 millimeter. And then you have a 82 to 95 millimeter. Now these things have come in handy for me. I've gotten a couple ND filters stuck on, and also if you're dealing with step down or step up rings, they'll come handy for that too, because a lot of times those will get stuck. It's very simple and easy to use. Only thing you need to do is pick out the right size, line everything up, and give it a slight squeeze and turn, just like that. And here we go. Comes right off. Easy peasy. 1, 2, and 3.